Every AI video tool can give you one beautiful clip, but try making episode 2, and your main character has a new face, your kitchen became a bedroom, and the necklace from last week's cliffhanger just doesn't exist anymore. AI can generate video. It can't run a show. So I built the thing that can. This is Cre8motion, a continuity-aware AI showrunner built entirely on Qwen Cloud. It doesn't make clips. It runs a studio. Watch. I don't even need an idea. I pick a genre and a tone, and Qwen Max pitches me one. One click, and it's building the entire show Bible. A premise, characters with locked visual identities, a world. I pick a visual style, and here's where it gets real. Juan is drawing every character's reference sheet, and Qwen Image is painting the show's poster. Right now, live. These aren't uploads. The studio makes its own assets. 30 seconds later, I have a show. Poster generated. Characters generated and locked. That matters because these references are what every future episode is checked against. This is how episode 10 still looks like episode 1. Now, the part I love. New episode, and I'm not going to type anything. This button says, let the showrunner decide. Qwen Max reads the show's continuity, what happened, what questions are open, and writes the next episode itself. And it's not just writing a script, it's running a 17-stage pipeline. Script, beat sheet, shot list, every shot with framing, lighting, and continuity locks. That budget counter is real. That timer is real. And every episode is engineered to work completely silent.